but scalp. 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 Welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be doing just showing you how I install this beautiful curly water wave unit. This is a 20-inch 13x6 lace frontal by ISEE Hair. It's Mongolian hair, by the way. It did come pre-plucked, but of course, I went in and I did more plucking because I just felt like it needed more plucking done to meet the needs of how I wanted the wig to look. So I did go in and do some more plucking with this unit. This is the box that it came in, and then it came with 2 wig caps. These wig caps are like really light. I do have one of them on, but I did go in. As you can see in the video, when I get to the installing part, I did go in and I put like a little bit of powder on. I didn't put too much because I didn't want too much makeup on my head because I'm going to be wearing this wig for a couple days. Also inside of the packaging, it just came with a little brochure about the hair right here on how you can get hair wholesale from them, or you can just get hair by itself, and also you can also buy it from Amazon as well. To slick down my baby hairs, I actually went in and I used the Edge Booster. It's a stronghold water-based pomade and it has like a pineapple scent. I really do love this stuff for my edges. It works really good. And then after I used that on the edges, I went in and I used hold on, let me go get it. I used my Big Sexy hairspray. It's the spray and play. I use that to just seal it down. Some parts of the install is missing because you gotta work with me, you know. I was recording this at like 11 o'clock at night, and then my son was up and down and doing all this extra stuff, so like, yeah, so some parts are missing, like me doing the edges is missing, sorry. But I did also use a lace tint. So this is the lace tint that I used. I feel like I could have went darker in it because this is a warm brown, a light warm brown. I could have went darker in it. But like I said before, once I melt the lace, this is how it looks like that. And I'm sorry, my nose is running. My allergies are like all over the place. But some of the pros, some of the cons, it's shedding a little bit, but I think that it might be shedding because of me cutting the lace, and then I forgot I cut the lace in the back, so that might be it. I haven't experienced any shedding like after like doing all this, but me actually installing it and combing it through, I did experience a little bit of shedding. No tangling. As long as you're using your dimming brush to to brush through, you're not going to experience a lot of tangling with these type of wigs. It's definitely big head friendly. You can adjust the straps. Now that I don't have any hair on my head, my wigs lay flatter, and I have to actually do the crisscross method on the adjustable straps because yeah, my head is kind of smaller, I guess you could say. But with that being said, my wigs lay flatter now that I don't have any hair on my head. So yeah, definitely feeling myself. I really love this unit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.